The only thing we have left with our search screen is to add a couple text fields. Now I did just notice that at the top where I wrote searched, it's actually just search. I apologize. Let's just change that. It'll automatically center. Great. Now let's look at our reference, add these text fields, and continue to move on. We need a top searches, and then a couple different categories, and these are going to be different colors and looks like weights. So top searches, and it's white. I'm going to grab my color picker tool and just grab this color. There we go. And we can't see it right now, obviously, because it's under our reference. So I'm going to hide the reference, drag this down just a tad, and change the size to, let's try 55 pixels. Top searches, and let's change this weight to bold. I think it's bold. Let me go back up and look at our reference. Yeah. Not quite on, so I'm going to grab this, drag it up a little bit, and let's go ahead and create these. And I'm going to hide our reference again. Let's just create another text layer. And the first one was WordPress. Now this is the same size, but it's a different color and it's not this bold weight. Let's go and give this a regular weight, and then let's find that blue color. Quickly click on reference, grab your eyedropper tool, and select this blue. There we go. Control C. Alright, and I want to make sure it's on exactly. Alright, we got the color. Hide the reference. This is not capitalized. And it's irregular. And that looks pretty good. Now we can simply grab these, select our WordPress, Control J, and drag it down like that, and change the content. The next one was JavaScript. Do that again, Control J, drag it down, and the next one was Photoshop, I believe. JavaScript, Photoshop, yes. Oops. And let's just use our reference real quick so we can get where to drag these. I'm going to use my guide. This is for the top search, and this is for the bottom of each one. So I'll make sure I drag this just to the bottom. There we go. I'm going to hide the reference again. Now we can put these in the proper places. Let's grab the appropriate text field. Photoshop needs to come down here. JavaScript needs to come down as well. Let's bring WordPress down. And finally, the top searches. Okay, now instead of duplicating these three, each one individually, we can actually grab WordPress through Photoshop, hit Control or Command J to duplicate all three at the same time, and I'm just going to drag these three down as well. There we go. Let me just get the reference one last time. Get the first one right there. Make sure this is in the right place, and it almost was. Great. And now we can continue, edit these, and do some more. So I'm going to pause the video. You guys know what to do. Just go ahead and finish the rest of these words, and we'll continue from there.